लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अभिषेक बच्चन की जय और निमृत कौर की जय, ताली बजाओ ऐसे।
अच्छा
एब्सोल्युटली यार, मैं आई वांट यू ऑल टू हैव अ फाइट राइट नाउ। पूछो क्यों? तुमने मुझसे उस दिन कहा कि यार ये निमृत का फिल्म है, इट्स निमृत ऑल द वे। निमृत बोल रही है अभिषेक का फिल्म है, इट्स अभिषेक ऑल द वे। डू यू जस्ट वांट टू आर्ग्यू दिस आउट, फिगर इट आउट, कम टू अ कंक्लूजन एंड टेल?
नहीं, वी डोंट नीड टू आर्ग्यू। मैं आपको अभी बताता हूं।
हाँ
पिक्चर के मुख्य किरदार है गंगाराम चौधरी
जी,
ठीक है, लेकिन मेरा कहने का ये मतलब था कि इस फिल्म के बाद सब लोग घुसेंगे गंगाराम चौधरी को देखने, बाहर निकलेंगे बिमला देवी के साथ। दैट्स हाउ गुड शी इज। शी आल्सो हैज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द बेस्ट कैरेक्टर आर्क इन द फिल्म, एंड बहुत ही मजेदार कैरेक्टर है, एंड शी इज डन इट वंडरफुली वेल।
तुम्हें भी कहना था, ये मुझे कह रही थी इनकी माँ फिल्म देख रही थी कुछ दिन पहले। यू नीड टू कंप्लीट दैट एंड टेल अभिषेक ऑन माय बिहाफ।
I told him actually कि for her it's your best work yet. And
Really?
She's watched all your
How
films.
sweet.
Yes.
How sweet.
And
I
she
think
has no.
I think she's a bit biased.
No, she's not. I was just going to tell you. She'll be biased towards me. So
That's
I
why,
won't
na?
take anything seriously.
तुम्हारी फिल्म है ना इसलिए?
नहीं. वो वैसे बहुत ही
Yeah?
हाँ,
How sweet.
unnecessarily honest है कभी-कभी. But in this manner, I
How
know that
sweet.
she
I
was
hope she's
genuinely-
right. I hope she's right. I hope she's right.
She loved it.
That's
And honestly, it's really terrific and what he brings
On
to
that
the
note, I
table.
really want to let's get back to your school days, okay?
Okay.
ऐसा कब हुआ आपके लाइफ में जब अमित जी को बुलाया गया है कि यार अभिषेक क्या कर रहा है क्लास में? पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग में अमित जी और जया मैम को बोला गया कि यार ये बच्चा क्या कर रहा है क्लास में और तुम्हारी वाट लगाई कि नहीं?
वाट तो नहीं लगाई, ये तो हुआ है, कई बार हुआ है।
अच्छा।
लेकिन वाट तो नहीं लगाई, लेकिन बैठा के समझाया गया कि बेटा देखो हम लोग इतनी संघर्ष करके पैसे कमाते हैं, मेहनत करके तुम्हें पढ़ा रहे हैं, लिखा रहे हैं। इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि तुम बस उधर मस्ती करो। यू नो हैव टू बी अ बिट रिस्पॉन्सिबल। आई थॉट इट वाज अ नाइस वे ऑफ गिल्टिंग योर चिल्ड्रन आउट,
Yeah.
which was it worked. But no, they've never really I've said that my father's never raised his hand on me.
Of course.
Or his voice. Another thing, it was never required. I mean, he just need to have a slightly firm tone and the whole household came to a
Like you
standstill.
say, Abhishek.
Bas, khatam. Enough. And they were very sweet in that sense. I remember कि मैं boarding school में था, तो जो report card आती थी with all the teachers write their things and all, they'd mail it to you. तो अगर लगता था कि in the last term you didn't do too well, you'd never know your final grades and marks till the report card came. So every morning I used to wait early morning कि postman कब आएगा और वो जो report card है मैं उसको छिपा दूँगा, so that he only gets to read when I've gone. See, when I'm not there,
Yeah.
then how much can you fire on the phone? है कि नहीं?
I wish I'd taken these classes from you those days.
For 9 years.
हाँ
We had 3 holidays in a year. We had Christmas, Easter, and summer holidays.
हाँ
So 3 holidays in a year for 9 years. Every morning we used to wait for the post, and the report card never came. It never came. And to our luck, every time I remember the flight to go back to my school in Switzerland was at night, at 12 o'clock. It was a Swissair flight, and we had to leave for the airport at 11. And now you're saying, "Arey, report card nahi hai. Does he have it? Does he not have it?" You have to leave at 11. I mean, be there 11. So leave at 10:30 for the airport. At 10 p.m., there would be an intercom in our house and ring. Abhishek, Jeepa, just come up to my office. Finished. How he managed to get that report card, I don't know. And he would read out the report card, and in the early 90s, after 92, he had taken a bit of a sabbatical. So I just remember this video sitting in his study across his desk, and he had those half glasses, and he used to read aloud the comments.
तो क्या था comments माने? Fail.
No, sometimes were very good, sometimes were not so very good.
हाँ
But at that point in time, even if they say the most glorious things, वो माहौल कुछ ऐसा है कि you feel कि you've done something wrong. So I don't know how did he bribe the postman कि ये मत देना उनको, या पहले 1 घंटे पहले आके मुझे दे दो? Was he up before me waiting for the postman? I had all these conspiracy theories.
Oh man. Too
आप बताइए
good.
तो आप
जी.
माने आप बहुत फेल होती थी क्लास में, कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स में आप
नहीं
fail
नहीं,
होते?
मैं कभी फेल नहीं हुई.
झूठी ये सब बोलते, असल लाइफ में फेल होते हैं वो।
ऐसा
Mark
कुछ
sheet
भी
दिखाओ।
नहीं है. मैं दिखा सकती हूँ. अभी मेरे पास कुछ, बट आई नेवर फेल्ड. मैंने गड़बड़ खूब करी है, चीटिंग करी कभी कभी, ये सब किया, बट आई नेवर गॉट कॉट. And actually, my mother is about 5 feet tall. So मुझे बहुत मार पड़ी है from my mom. So I'm not
my mom
condoning
also
it.
tried with us, but after a while I was
So
out
that's
of reach.
exactly what used to happen. By the way, can I tell you?
Mummy.
I realized my mom used to come for me, and I used to just duck back.
Yeah.
You know, because after a while I had crossed her. So I realized कि अरे ये तो मैं dodge कर सकती हूँ अब ये और फिर मैं भागने लग गई थी and all of that had started happening. Then I realized I can come back and say कि the whole paper was out of syllabus. और मैं, you know, I had started to act a little bit by then in school. I realized कि यार I can sell this quite well. My mom believes it every time. कि मेरे पास जो question paper आया ना वो set A, B, C, D. Remember that there was a system in. So after a while it didn't matter. Like you could get a B question paper or whatever. So I said यार सारे out of syllabus था. मैंने जो पढ़ा वो तो पूछा ही नहीं है लोगों ने. Like if I knew that a paper didn't go off well. So I've dodged many bullets.
मेरे साथ हमेशा हुआ है. Whenever I failed, मैं जो पढ़ा तो पूछा ही नहीं है यार.
हाँ.
I got whipped by my biology teacher in school in Lucknow.
Like literally whipped.
Like fatak, ma'am, it's okay. I still love you, okay? I got so like class के सामने मैं hero था. I charted that dialogue, that definition that I remember it till date. Ask me what is mitochondria.
Mitochondria is the fuel cell of the energy cell of something. I had dialogue था मेरा.
अच्छा तो पहले पूछो ना मुझे
What is mitochondria?
They're double walled bags with inner walls produced into finger-like processes projecting inwards. Their power cells here molecules of food are broken down to release energy and adenosine triphosphate. क्योंकि ऐसी मार पड़ी ना उसके बाद मैंने बोला बॉस लाइफ में ना.
What the hell was
I
that?
swear.
Sid,
Honest to God.
Are
Respect,
you
brother.
serious?
Class
How do you
fi-
still remember this?
Because she hit me, which is okay, ma'am, I love you. But class में I was like the hero, and then I
which
was
school were you in?
St. Francis, Lucknow.
Wow.
And
That's
then
amazing.
after that whole night, I said till date I've not forgotten this. Yeah,
Wow.
absolutely. क्या बात है?
Well
Stardom
done.
is killing me. यार स्कूल का पहला प्यार. Tell me about that.
Zeenat Aman.
और टीचर नहीं थी क्या?
Zeenat Aman.
अरे सर, बिग बी साहब कितने फिल्म्स किए तो आप सेट में होते तो आप
Then
ऐसी
what?
देखती थी मैम को.
Loved her. My heart still skips a beat when I see her till date.
Gosh.
She's just the most wonderful person. I love her.
But has she said something like, "Hi Abhishek"? And you were like,
No, I'm sure as a kid I was, but even now today you get a bit gobsmacked when she's there.
Sure.
But she's just so lovely. She's so lovely.
have you ever told her कि?
Yes.
You've told her on a face that you have a crush.
Yes.
And what was the reaction?
I don't remember. I'm
And
pretty
आप
sure
कितने
she
साल
told
के
my
होंगे?
parents something, but I think I was a kid. We were shooting for a movie called Mahan in Kathmandu. And
Three Bachchan.
I believe I told her that I was in love with her.
Wow.
क्या बात है?
And in love. Like you
Yeah.
didn't just have a crush, you
Yeah.
were in love. So sweet.
How sweet, yeah.
That is lovely.
And I remember every scene of Mahan I've seen like 10 times.
Oh really?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Bachchan Saab 3 times over. What else do you want, यार? तुम्हारा
So they were
school का
shooting the song Pyar Mein Dil Pe Marte Goli.
प्यार. ले ले मेरी जान.
Correct.
Wow.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो तुम आप अपने प्यार के बारे में सोच रहे थे जब प्यार पे दिल पे चल रहा था.
Correct. I'm sure.
क्या बात है? Your school love, yeah?
School love तो शादी बच्चे हो गए तो it will be bad if I say yeah.
But I'm
I'll
not
get
asking
him
for
into
names,
trouble.
यार.
So then what do you want to know?
Just tell me about the guy. कैसा था? कहाँ था? बगल में बैठता था? वैसे टाइप से यार.
Studious सा था, थोड़ा shy सा था, बड़ा sweet सा था, and he was a bit of a bad boy as well.
He was studious and a bad boy.
Yeah.
What a
So he used to
combination.
teach me chemistry, and
He
teach
was
me
a
as
teacher?
No, he used to help me with my chemistry.
Oh, okay.
Work. So yeah, he had beautiful hair and all his hair used to flop. I remember in school like that.
Wow, man. And he also used to teach her chemistry, sir.
Chemistry.
Yeah.
Specifically, हाँ?
Yeah.
फिर वो क्यों materialize क्यों नहीं हुआ? वो why didn't you take it to the next level?
Who said I didn't take it to the next?
Oh, nice one.
I
Nice
mean-
हाँ?
one.
और फिर किसने किसका दिल दुखाया?
No comments.
ठीक है.
गलत
doesn't matter.
बात है.
ठीक है, कोई टेंशन नहीं. अभिषेक, सब कहते हैं अभिषेक का वक्त आ गया है. It's your time. Because of the experiments that you're doing with your role. But experiments के साथ, there's also the other aspect which is backlash कि यार गड़बड़ी हो जाएगी. मैं बहुत characters इतना play कर रहा हूँ कि शायद it may not work because you're not taking a safe route. कभी कभार you get worried about that?
No, never. Never. I think that comes from the fact that I have unbelievable conviction in the films that I'm doing. And I think the written material is so fantastic. And there's confidence in that. मैं genuinely believe करता हूँ कि 10वीं जो फिल्म है एक बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म है. And so I'm not worried about backlash in that sense. What happens eventually you have to deal with, which we discussed last time.
Yeah.
You know, that's something that you have to just deal. You have to face and cross that bridge when you get to it. But I'm enjoying this phase a lot now because first of all I'm actually enjoying myself, but also I have a lot of confidence in the written material that we're trying to make.
When you say you're enjoying yourself right now,
Yeah.
was there any phase जहाँ आपने enjoy नहीं किया? When you landed up on the sets, तुम कह रहे थे ठीक है मैं कर रहा हूँ, but अंदर
Yes.
खुशी नहीं है?
Yes, there was. Yeah.
How long was that phase?
It went on for about a year or two.
So Mani, you just used to land up at the sets and not feel good from within.
No, I mean, I was very happy doing the work that I was doing. They were hugely successful films. I made a lot of money. I wasn't happy with my approach to my work. I thought it was very unprofessional. I had become very complacent with my work, which is not how an actor should be. And I had some of my seniors and dear friends who were genuine well-wishers who would tell me, "Yaar, tu itna acha actor hai, tu mehnat kar aur." But how to explain that? It was like, yeah, I can do this in my sleep, and I'm not, you know. I'd become a bit lazy in that sense. So
Drive खत्म हो गया था क्या?
No, it's not drive. I just become complacent. It just came too easily. You know, the responsibility of the film wasn't on your shoulders. You were making great money. The films were becoming huge hits. You had continuous work. But somewhere you want to have ownership over your work. You want to feel responsible for it.
How did that transition happen where you started saying, boss, there's something drastically wrong?
No, I always knew there was something wrong. I was just allowing it to carry on because I was comfortable. And I think part of being an actor is that you have to somewhere be a bit uncomfortable. I mean, we do inflict a lot of pain onto ourselves by virtue of what we do, emotionally. And sometimes if you're doing an action film, physically as well. But you always know. It's where you want to draw the line and say, okay, enough is enough, and I need
Have
to make
you
a change.
ever watched your own film? I know you don't like your films too much.
Yeah,
You're very
yeah.
critical. We've discussed that. But have you watched any of your films and you actually walked out during the interval saying, "Yaar, Abhishek, तूने क्या किया यार?"
No, I've never walked out an interval, but yaar तूने क्या किया ऐसे quite often.
Huh?
Yeah. Vanity doesn't like to walk out an interval. बाकी picture देख लेते हैं.